Today we are going to look how to comment here. So in JavaScript, commenting is as simple as we can. So what we have to do is to comment, just put a slash, then 2// and here we will write anything which you want. Suppose creates the canvas. Then here we can write puts background. Now what does commenting do? Now what is the benefit of commenting? So commenting actually helps us when we come the next day we code. Then it's sometimes the codes are so long that it becomes too shuffled to see out. Like the code, to understand the code, it becomes very difficult. But if we divide our whole code by these comments, then it's very simple to recall what we have did. So it's very easy and it makes others also the code readable just because of these comments. So I hope you got a good idea how to comment. Now remember, commenting in HTML and JavaScript are very different. So don't be confused in that. And because we are learning only JavaScript right now, so we won't be learning for HTML, but still now just remember how to comment for JavaScript. So this is how. And sometimes what we do is sometimes we are doubtful that what if I put a rectangle, I create a rectangle here. What if I create a rectangle here? But right now what I have to do is I have to make it here just for testing. Now what do they delete it, and when the code are too large, when the size of the code is too big, then they actually forget that where they have to keep. So for that, they can remember where they kept the code, from where they have picked, they can put it in comments so that the next time they come after testing and when they run, they can't see anything, there is nothing like this. So now because it's wrong, what they can do is they can delete this line. Now easily search here and uncomment it. So it's as simple as it is. And remember, this commenting is not very beneficial for like this 10 lines code, but when you will code for 1000 lines games, then you will remember what I was saying.